Hello students, welcome to this course today on the basics of SolidWorks. So today we're going to learn a couple of basics about SolidWorks. I'm not sure if you've used it before, but we're going to start looking at the basics and so that you can familiarize yourself with the program. I don't know how much experience you've had on SolidWorks, but you will know a little bit today on how to use the software. Okay, so this is the screen that you see when you have opened SolidWorks, and we will want to create a new, either a part or an assembly or drawing. We normally start with a part, which is a 3D part that you've done either from a sketch or from a design in your mind. You start with a part. An assembly is a number of parts that are joined together. You use a lot of constraints in assembly. And then you have a drawing, which is normally a 2D layout of the part, which you will be able to use to give to the customer or the shop floor, so that people would be able to create the part itself.